for the NEBOSH IG1 element number 3, training part number 3, training opportunities. In any organization, there are employees working for them. What are the training opportunities? Means, what are the types of training that we will provide to the organization employees on different occasions. Now, to understand the training, what is a training? Training is a planned process to modify attitude, knowledge, or skill behavior through learning experience to achieve effective performance in activity or range of activities. Training is the systematic development of attitudes, knowledge, and skills required to perform adequately a given task or job. Benefits of training to workers. Better understanding and environment raises staff morale, job satisfaction, understanding of relevance of systems of work, and control reduce risk. Allows workers to reach experienced workers standard more quickly. Increases flexibility of staff. So these are the benefits that a worker will have from the trainings. For the employer, what are the benefits of training to the employer? Reduce accident frequency and severity, reduce injury-related absenteeism, reduce claims and insurance premium, reduce the chance of prosecution, improvement in efficiency, improvement in retention of managers and workers. Because once they are provided training, they understand all aspects of the organization, so they remain in the organization for a long time. Improvement in behavior and positive culture. Opportunities and need for training provision. What are the opportunities? What are the opportunities for the training? Or what are the chances? What are the occasions on which training required? Induction training for new workers. When new workers come to our organization, they don't know about the different activities and the risk, including in different activities. The risk in different activities involve refresher training, because if we give training, they forget. So refresher training requirements, job change, process change. If there is some job change or process change, we will provide training. Introduction of new legislation, when the legislation change. So when legislation change, we have to provide them training. Introduction of new technology, when technology change, so the risk is also changed. So in this case also we have to provide training. Specific health and safety training. Some are the training related to health and safety we have to provide to the employees. These are the mandatory trainings. Supervisor and general management training, they also require training. TNA, for the training, we will have TNA, training need analysis. Then in any organization, like somebody working in stores, now they have to, the store manager have to identify what type of trainings my workers needs to be conducted for them, like manual handling. They are doing manual handling there. Firefighting, because there is combustible material, so they should be trained in firefighting. First aid, some first aid also training requires. Then training metrics. Based on this, the designation for proper trainings for them. Annual training plan. These, the training analysis and training metrics, they will be arranged in annual training plan. Every organization needs to develop training plan. And this is also a requirement of in Abu Dhabi for ADOSH requirement, as well as also the international standards requirement, ISO 9001, 14 and 45. Health and safety induction training. What will be there in the health and safety induction training? This question also important for the NEBOSH point of view. Review and discussion of health safety policy, hazard of the workplace and control measures, health and safety science, specific training requirements, welfare facilities, personal protective equipment provision, limitations, then use and maintenance, etc. The PPE, each organization have their risk, and based on the risk they need the proper PPE. In the induction training, the duration of induction training depends on the organization training procedure. Some organization they give induction training 2 hours, 3 hours. Some organization like hospitals or rehabilitation centers or schools, they have many days for induction training. It depends on actually the organization activities, which type of activities they have. Based on this, they decide the duration of the induction training. So it varies organization to organization. Now, fire and emergency procedures, first aid procedures and facilities, accident, incident, and ill health reporting and investigation. This is also important to tell them when some accidents happen. We have to investigate and report. So once we report and investigate and report properly, it will prevent recurrence of such type of accidents in the future for the organization. Specific health and safety training, safe system of work, SSOW, equipment training. Sometimes we have equipment that needs training to be provided for the workers, PPE training, firefighting, first aid training, workplace inspection and risk assessment, etc. If you have any question, write your question in the comments, subscribe the channel and watch the videos. If you have any type of question, give in the comment section. We will reply to your comments. Thank you very much.